This photo illustrates the front of the right side seat. Seat removal procedure is the same for both left and right side seats. Remove the two number 3 Phillips head screws as indicated by the green arrows that hold the lower cushion onto the seat. Lift up the front of the lower seat cushion and remove the seat cushion from the car. Turn the ignition key on and slide the seat all the way back. This picture illustrates the outside edge of the seat out by the rocker panel. Remove the T40 Torx fastener that mounts the frame rail to the seat. This picture illustrates the inner seat frame rail by the transmission tunnel. Remove the T40 Torx fastener that holds the front inner rail to the body of the car. Turn the ignition key on and move the seat all the way forward and tilt the seat back forward as well. This picture illustrates behind the seat the inner frame rail up against the transmission tunnel. Remove the two T40 Torx fasteners, as indicated by the green arrows, that hold the back of the inner seat frame rail to the body of the car. This picture illustrates the outer seat frame rail in the rear behind the seat. Remove the two T40 Torx fasteners, green arrows, that mount the outer seat frame rail to the body of the car. You can now tilt the seat out and remove it from the car. The seat is heavy, so get someone to help you to avoid scratching the interior. Installation is the reverse of the removal steps. Position the seat in the car with a helper and move the seat all the way forward. Begin the reinstallation with the 4 fasteners in the rear. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.